hot and spicy Cajun chicken pasta. This is going to be very easy, very delicious, and I'm going to give you my recipe on how to make the best Cajun seasoning right at home. Let's see how to make this fresh right now. So first things first, we'll prepare our chicken. To help cook it evenly, just pat it down with a heavy object or a meat tenderizer first. That's going to help really reduce the cooking time. Then season with a pinch of salt, and then the next ingredient is going to be my homemade Cajun seasoning. I'm going to link that down below. You probably already have what you need to make this in your pantry, so be sure to check that link out and make your own seasoning. Once you have made one seasoning mix, you're not gonna stop. Trust me, I've made so many seasoning mixes, and you can check out some of them on my website. Next, let's start cooking our chicken. So heat up a pan on medium to medium high heat and add some olive oil. Then place your chicken down there and just leave it. Leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you leave it undisturbed, that's going to help create that nice crispy crust on the bottom. Give it a quick shake and then turn the chicken to cook the other side. If the chicken releases easily when you shake it, that means it's ready to be flipped. You can use a non-stick pan or a stainless steel pan to get that beautiful crust. Let's set that aside and we'll start making the sauce in the same pan. So if you have oil left over in the pan, just add some garlic into it along with some chili flakes. Just give it a quick saute, unlock those flavors, cook out the rawness of the garlic, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our tomatoes. So today I'm using some San Marzano style diced tomatoes. Add it right in there and season it with a pinch of salt. Now if you're using leftover marinara sauce, you can omit the step of adding the chili flakes and the garlic in the beginning. You can just add in the marinara and adjust for salt if you need to, but most importantly, add in the Cajun seasoning. So once you've mixed in the salt, add in some of that Cajun seasoning as well, and then make sure you give it a quick taste and adjust for any seasoning. We're just going to let this simmer for a few minutes while we start working on our pasta. So I already have some water boiling for my pasta, and today we're making some spaghetti. So add that right in there and just give it a twist with a tongue to really cook that evenly. Once the spaghetti is cooked, add it right into the pan. You don't have to drain it completely. That pasta water is really chock full of flavors. Give it a quick toss and just mix the pasta completely with that sauce. And that's all that there is to spaghetti. Now, let's start plating. So this is enough to make 2 large servings of the Cajun spaghetti pasta. So once you've plated your spaghetti, go ahead and slice up that chicken which has been resting. And I bet you, if you did it right, it's going to be the juiciest piece of chicken you've ever had. Top with some parmesan and just roughly torn basil leaves. This dish is going to be so good. It's hot and spicy and cheesy and fragrant from the basil and the parmesan. It's gonna make your dinner complete. You need to have this. So let me know how you like this video, how you like this recipe, and if you are going to make this. Be sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.